Hi, what's up, Hedera Hashgraph holder? This time, my brother, the last 7 days chart is on the screen, and if we predicate this coin, so we definitely better understand, my brothers, to upcoming time. They will give us a profit. There is a chance so they will moving in upward direction, or they will fail us down. Let's see, my brother. But kindly, you holder, please remember to subscribe this channel and also press the bell icon, because this channel will update you, guide you every day, every time. Now, my brother, the last 7 days chart is on the screen, and you can see, my brother, 16.18% profit, and just in all the, my brother, as you can see, my brother, in last 7 days. So this chart, my brother, as you can see here, absolutely clearly show, my brothers, to they will moving in upward direction, and that's clear to they will give you a profit in upcoming days. And upcoming 24 hours, especially, my friend, I know to they will blooms up and they will go to the moon. But if you hold now, so they will give you a profit. Otherwise, if you starting selling, so my brother, remember to they cannot give you a profit, and absolutely you will be also lost now. My brother, 16.18% profit in last 7 days, and just in only if we check out the last 1 hour, so all currencies, my friend, very badly fails down. Let's see, my brothers, to what they do, my brother. As you can see, my brother, minus 0.1% they are lost now, and my brother, just in only last 1 hour. But if we check out 4 hour, so minus 0.63% they are lost now, and last 24 hour they will also lost now, I think. So oh my goodness, in last 24 hour they will moving in upward direction. 0.83% profit. That's a very good now, my brother. And I hope, my brother, Hedera Hashgraph absolutely take a very good profit now for holders. This time, my brother, you can see here, I can't expect this from Hedera Hashgraph to they will moving upward in those days, because VeChain, Cardano, XRP, Shiba, all currencies very badly fails down. But I can't expect this from that. So thanks for watching, my brothers, my holder, my viewers. I hope in upcoming time, my brothers, they will moving in upward direction. So please don't miss this chance. Take a risk and get a good profits now. Allah Hafiz, take care, see you next time.